Let's stretch today. Smile and move in a happy way. Lift your hands up to the sky. It's yoga time, let's fly so high. Welcome to our magic aisle. Every stretch will make you smile. Wave hello to golden rays. We're beginning happy days. Touch your shoulders, tap your toes. Feel the gentle morning glow. Take a breath and softly sway. Yoga starts our joyful day. Stretch and smile, come sing with me. Move your body happily. Shine so bright and laugh out loud. Dance among the fluffy clouds. Strong and calm, so light and free. Yoga brings sweet harmony. Every breath and every move helps us shine and gently groove. Walk like butterflies, so light. Sparkling wings are shining bright. Reach up high and bend down low. Watch your happy spirit grow. Turn around and clap your hands. Welcome to our yoga land. Every smile's a little star, showing how amazing you are. Stretch like waves upon the sea. Move with joy and energy. Take one breath and softly glow. Let your happy feelings grow. Follow rainbows in the air. Magic sparkles everywhere. Lift your chin and stand up tall. You're growing stronger after all. Move with kindness, breathe in peace. Feel your worries slowly cease. Yoga fills your heart with light, making every moment bright. Stretch and smile, it's time to shine. Every moment feels divine. Sing along and clap once more. Open wide your yoga door. Take a breath and smile anew. Today is wonderful because of you. Keep your happy light so bright and sparkle like the stars tonight. Breathe with joy, stretch with love. Smile with your whole heart. See you on our next yoga adventure.